Right, morning, here with Chris, and we're going up to do the highest ever 145 alive on Ben Macdui today. We've got the bikes, but because it's so far, we're going to take in another summit as well, Carnifam, because while we're up there, we may as well get a twofer. Right, what we got, 6k to cycle?
Was it?
Some, I don't know. Right, we'll crack on.
Got swept away in 2015, so they've made a new one out of some telecoms masts. And that is Carnifam. Of the cycling phase. I think Chris is quite glad with that. So we're ditching the bikes in the heather here because this is the junction of the trail that we'll be taking back down from Ben Macdui, and we'll be taking the wider one. We're going to cross the Lubig burn, hopefully not too much water in it, and then up Carnifam, which is just behind it.
Okay, that's us at the Lubig burn. And now we've just got to get across, so I'm going to put Chris in first. That looks deep.
It does.
There's boulders up there. Oh, here. A movie stop, brief break. Clouds coming over, it's going to be cold up there. Right, we're getting there, shame the cloud is coming down, but a couple of 100 metres, see you at the top of Carnifam. CQ SOTA, Mike 0, Echo Foxtrot India Portable, calling from Golf Mike Echo Sierra 013, Mike 0, Echo Foxtrot India Portable, up in the Cairngorms, listening for 2 metres, QRZ, GM0 NRT, Mike 0, Echo Foxtrot India, Mexico 0, Echo Florida India, QRZ.
Mike 0 EFI for portable from GM0 NRT, got you there Fraser. You're about a 4 in 1 with me here in Aberdeen, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, I've got another operator, over.
Okay, go ahead with the other station.
There you go.
2 Mike 0, Radio Victor Zulu.
Is that 2 Mike 0, Romeo Victor Zulu?
Yes.
Portable from GM0 NRT.
This is tough, I've got another 3 to get. Might have to set up HF.
Sounds correct.
Yeah. We've got 2 in the log, GM5ALX. Did you tweet off frequency? It was on 500, 550.
Okay Alex, you're still 5 and 9. I don't know if you got that from 2 Mike 0, Romeo Victor Zulu.
Right, let's see if we can get another couple. We're sharing the radio. So that's number 3 in the log, down in St Andrews. 1 to go. That's number 4. And I think there's a 5th guy waiting as well. Right, we've got this one done. We're going to get on to Ben Macdui. You got vertigo?
I don't know.
About to find out. Okay, we've come a long way down and we've got an even longer way up. It's not Britain's second highest mountain for no reason. That's Carnarvon back there behind us, Devil's Point to the right. Long way up. No other idiots up here today.
Not from this direction.
Well, you said you wanted a bit of adventure. Or no, you never, did you? Well, you're getting it. Man, that's a tough climb. Where's Chris? There he is. Up in the snow now, and it's in the cloud, and we've got about 600 or 700 metres to go, but the angle is easing off. Oh, it's wild up here. Absolutely wild. You're now officially the second highest person in the United Kingdom. Well done. Okay, I've possibly bitten off more than I can chew this time. We're going to see how it goes. Okay, this is Mike Zero Echo Foxtrot India Portable, starting the 145 Alive net from the summit of Ben Macdui, which is a SOTA Summit Golf Mike Echo Sierra 001. So I'm going to say CQ to anyone that's north of the Cairngorms for 145 Alive, QRZ. Okay, there's a 2 Mike 0 in there.
2 Mike 0, Whiskey Tango November Mobile, Fraser.
2 Mike 0, Whiskey Tango November Mobile. Quick end to this video, the GoPro's died. I've got my FTM400. I've got stations all over the place from Wick all the way down to England calling in. So there's going to be a list at the end of this video.
Golf 0 Echo Victor
2 metres, 145 is alive today. I've got another GoPro, there's an English SOTA Summit. Golf 0 Echo Victor working some of my Scottish net, which is absolutely superb.
Back to you, Fraser.
Golf 0 Echo Victor, yeah, thanks very much. Well done for getting a couple of calls into Scotland, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day. So net control back with MM0EFI Portable. Who else have we got? MM0XET, Gary. Yeah, you're 5 and 2 now, 5 and 2 over.
Listening for any calls for the 145 Alive net. I'm on the top of the ridge line at Craigill there. Mike 0, X-ray Echo Tango. Static mobile QRZ. Mike 0, Golf with my Mike Stroke Portable, Gary. Mike 0, Golf with my Mike Stroke Portable, calling Mike 0.
That's Chris over there, doing some HF, I think. Probably not on the summit that's trying to get a selfie. Actually reckon about another 20 I'll have hypothermia. So I'm not going to be hanging about for too much longer. Loads of stations working one another down south of me, which is absolutely super.
I got Mike 7 Victor X-ray Juliet, is that right?
Chris has given up. What'd you get?
I'm not quite sure.
15 contacts on HF. I'm going to see if I can beat that on 2 metres before I get hypothermia.
Oh, Papa Radio. My QTH is in Truro, Cornwall. On my
It's okay, so Mike Lexington today, DX. Are you speaking to all the punters up there? You're doing a bit of SOTA PR.
Hope good job making it up both those summits, and yeah, hope it's been good on HF for you. Number 87 if you want that number, but number 87 over.
When I get back, because my hands are so cold now, Alex. Yeah, it's been a bit of a struggle getting up, I must admit, but yeah, it's been worth it, but still got to get down yet.
Starting to get quite cold up here. Fraser must be absolutely freezing, over.
Yeah, KSL, you're
Fraser is absolutely freezing.
5 by 9, and I've got the reference.
Chris is absolutely freezing.
Roger, Kai, thank you very much for the contact, and 73s.
Yeah, all the best. Can you leave for the log there, over?
Surely, sorry. It's Jim, Juliet, India, Mike, over.
Yeah, no copy there, Jim, and thanks for coming back to the call.
Yes, you're very welcome. 73s.
Yeah, 73. Is there anyone else can hear me? This is 2 Mike 0 Kilo Alpha Uniform Portugal.
MM0RFN, MM0EFI portable. So the two nets from Glassmall and Ben Macdui have been working quite well because I've worked into England as well, over.
Good work. Look at the log, I've got about 20, 21 in the log, so it's not been too bad overall.
Superb. Well, thanks for calling in, Hibby, summit to summit, and I had another station calling me as well, so I'll say 7-3, enjoy the rest of your afternoon, over.
You too, 7-3, and have a good descent.
Cheers. QRZ. Oh, there's loads of them. We've got Golf Mike 0 Hotel Tango Tango up in Orkney, which is absolutely superb. Great to get someone up in the north. Thank you for 5 and 3. I assume you're using a beam at your end. And my name's Fraser, Foxtrot Romeo Alpha Sierra Echo Romeo QSL.
QSL, Fraser. Name here is Alan. Alpha Lima, Alpha November.
Alan from up in the Orkneys.
No, just 100 watts on a vertical, Fraser. Go ahead.
100 watts in a vertical, well that's superb. I'm running 40 watts here on Ben Macdui. I brought up an FTM 400 and I have got a Slim Jim type antenna just up 4 metres up a fiberglass mast. So absolutely superb to get you in the log from Orkney today, over.
Yeah, very good, Fraser. Yeah, you're about 5 and 3 more consistently than not. But glad to work here. Won't keep you, rather it's cold and wintry at the top of Ben Macdui there. So won't keep it. Wish you 7-3 good luck. Mike 0 Echo Fox Italy Portable. Golf Mike 0 Hotel Tango Tango.
CQ for 145 Alive and SOTA from Ben Macdui QRZ. Oh, I think that's it.
GM0 NRT.
Oh, GM0 NRT Bill, good copy, 5-9 over. QRZ, any calls? I'm going to call that a wrap.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because Chris is nearly dead. We spent about half an hour wandering about in a whiteout up there, and nice to see we're finally down in the clear. Stunning scenery. Chris has just spotted some ptarmigan going past, not enough snow for them. Anyway, we've got a good couple of hours back to the car. 145 Alive was great fun, 29 contacts on 2 metres. Chris, you were
At 15 on HF.
15 on HF, so plenty of people happy they got Ben Macdui today. See you next time, 7-3.